Hello everyone and welcome to my cruise channel. Recently I've seen questions about how to handle specific situation in regards to the main dining room, so I thought we'd talk about that this week. Did you know that some of these issues can be addressed even before you leave for your cruise? Here's my tips based on my own experience. Number 1, call the cruise line if you have any specific physical limitations for the dining room. The special needs team can make sure that you sit near the entrance of the dining room, for example, and have designated spaces for any wheelchairs or walkers if they need to be stored. Also, if you need to use a chair with arms, they can arrange that for you. Number 2, if you have any special dietary restrictions, call the cruise line ahead of time. I've traveled with folks who had several dietary issues and was able to make arrangements for them to order their food the night before. If you call ahead, they're in a better position to address any issues related to allergies, gluten-free, celiac, lactose, or any myriad of concerns you might have. However, if they don't know that you need these accommodations before you leave, their options on how they can help you may be somewhat limited. You can also, if you're a vegetarian, ask for a vegetarian menu once you board. Number 3, if you have any consistency issues, make sure the cruise line knows before you leave or alert the maitre d' as soon as you board. Many times they can arrange for your food to be cut up if necessary. Conversely, if you would rather do these things yourself, you can tell the staff very discreetly. And finally, remind the staff of your dining restrictions on embarkation day. Please keep in mind that they have thousands of guests to accommodate for and would like to accommodate you. However, sometimes, and we're all human, we all know this, we sometimes forget. Sometimes you'll even see them write specific notes on a notepad based on what you tell them so that they can make the cruise more enjoyable for you. So, seasoned cruisers, is there anything that I may have missed in your experience? We would love to hear your comments in the comment section below. And as always, bon voyage!